Hi, boys and girls. This is Sally Morse. I'm a district math coach for Henrico County Public Schools. And for today's basic facts strategies lesson, we're going to be focusing on doubling and halving. Doubling is when we multiply by 2, and halving is when we divide by 2. And this is a great place to start when we're learning our multiplication and division facts because we can build on what we know of our addition and subtraction doubles facts. It's effective for multiplying and dividing by 2, and then we can extend it to multiplying and dividing by 4 and multiplying and dividing by 8. I'm going to show you a series of dot images over the next few pages, and I want you to figure out how many dots there are and how you know. Ready? Let's begin. How many dots? How do you know? Here we see 2 rows with 3 dots in each row. The addition fact we might think of is 3 plus 3 equals 6, or double 3 equals 6. We can also think about this as 2 times 3 equals 6. What is half, and how do you know? Here we have 6 dots, and if we divide them into 2 equal groups, there are 3 dots in each group, because half of 6 equals 3. Our related multiplication fact, 2 times 3 equals 6, can help us figure out 6 divided by 2 equals 3. How many dots? How do you know? Here there are 6 dots in each row, and our addition fact, 6 plus 6 equals 12, can help us to figure out double 6 is 12, or 2 groups of 6 equals 12. What is half, and how do you know? Here we have 12 dots, and if we divide them into 2 equal groups, there are 6 dots in each group. What is half of 12? Half of 12 is 6. Because 6 times 2 equals 12, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. How many dots? How do you know? Here we see a double 5. Double 5 is 10. We can think about 5 plus 5 equals 10, or 2 times 5 equals 10. What is half, and how do you know? If I have 10 dots and I divide them into 2 equal groups, there are 5 dots in each group, because half of 10 is 5. If 2 times 5 equals 10, then 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Here are a couple of examples of multiplication facts represented as arrays and as number lines. We see the facts 2 times 9, 2 times 4, and 2 times 7. How are these models the same? How are they different? You may want to pause the video for a moment and share your ideas with someone. We can also think about extending the strategy of doubling and halving to larger numbers. Here I have 2 groups of 75 cents. I wonder how much money I have. I know that if I double 75, I get 150. 75 plus 75 equals 150, or 2 times 75 equals 150. And so if I have 75 cents and I double it, I get $1.50. You may want to play a game at home to help you practice your doubles facts. For this game, you're going to need a deck of cards, and you're going to remove the face cards. So get rid of the jacks, the queens, the kings, and the jokers. You're going to need a pencil and paper, and you're going to label your paper with the multiples of 2, going from 2 all the way to 20. And we're going to use a doubling strategy here. So you're going to flip over a card, and I got an ace. An ace is worth 1. If I double 1, I get 2. I'm going to cross off 2 on my game board. Then I'm going to take a new card. This time I got a 6. Double 6. Double 6 is 12. 2 times 6 equals 12, so I'm going to cross off 12 on my game board. This time I got a 4. Double 4 is 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. I'm going to cross that off on my game board, and I'm going to keep playing until I've crossed off every single number on my game board. Remember to use a doubling strategy whenever you are multiplying by 2, and use a halving strategy when you are dividing by 2. Have fun practicing your facts for your doubles and your halves.